Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am glad that you find my channel. I hope you will enjoy my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumb up the videos that you like. And if you are a return viewer, thank you for your ongoing support. Today I have a Dior unboxing from their beauty online website. I am really taking advantage of the holiday seasonal packaging to make my beauty orders. Some of the items inside the box are for myself, whereas some are actually going to be gifts for close friends and family. I really like Dior's holiday packaging this year. Now let's see what I purchased this time. I'll try not to wreck the tissue paper because I am going to reuse the packaging as a gift for someone else. Now with all the online beauty order, you do get a choice of some limited choice of samples. And I've picked up their skincare range this time because I'm finding I've got enough perfume samples nowadays. And I don't need any more currently. Now this is a nail care serum. I'm actually trying to do a video on my review of the nail care products from both Dior and Chanel as a comparison video. So I am doing that slowly in the background and hoping to release that. But I thought I would give this other serum from Dior a try. I have to say I really enjoy their cream apricot cuticle cream. It's been really effective at regrowing the skin of my severely damaged cuticles, and so very impressed with their nail care range so far. So I decided to try some another product from that range. Now I also picked up this eyeliner crayon. It's called a Stylo eyeliner. Dior showed Stylo. So the texture is a crayon texture. The shade of purple looks very beautiful and it's like a jewel shade of purple, so I think it will work quite well for my true winter skin undertone color. Now I have finished the Chanel blue eyeliner that I've previously unboxed, and that's why I decided to give Dior a go. And look at me again destroying a brand new eyeliner. That's what happened to my Chanel one. And the reason why I've used up my Chanel one so quickly is because when I unboxed it, it fell onto the ground once. And what I found is it's actually caused multiple breaks in the actual crayon stick inside. So after like a few sort of millimeters of product, it will break. And then I have to resharpen it, and then again after a few millimeters it will break. So I've gone through that eyeliner very quickly, not because I've used up all the products, but because it keeps on breaking. So I decided to try Dior this time for that. So hopefully it'll be a bit more sturdier. The other product I am picking up is this foaming cleanser, which I got a sample and I'm still using from the gift with purchase last time. It's quite a decent size sample I got, and I am loving this foaming cleanser. It foams up very well, especially when you use the sort of hand pumped foamer that I've got from Amazon, and it just creates such a good cushion of foam to use. So that's why I'm repurchasing. And then also this cream apricot and other product that is really quite effective. So I'm actually planning on gifting it because I know how good it is, and I think the person would enjoy it as much as I do. So you can see here the cuticle skin has pretty much regrown quite a lot from the use of this product daily. So loving it. And another thing I got from this purchase is a gift with purchase. So on the Australian online website, they change what you get for free every now and then. And I basically time my purchases according to what freebie I get, because some of the times the freebie are not things that I would want. So then I delay my purchase until another code gets refreshed. But this time the freebie is quite substantial in my perspective. It is actually a makeup pouch. It's called a Dior Discovery pouch. On the little icon that shows up in the cart, once your purchase is eligible for the gift with purchase, it shows a little pink pouch which looks quite cute, and that's why I decided to make some purchases making use of this promotion period. So very cute boy, I would say, cute boy shaped makeup or skincare pouch with the embroidered Christian Dior logo at the front, and just a simple fabric pouch that is quite well sewn. The lining is polyester lining, which is a bit water resistant, it looks like, so it should be wipeable. You can't wash it, but you can wipe it with a cloth or something if it gets a bit of dirty, a bit of powder that gets stuck on the inside. So yeah, very pretty baby pink, I would say, and very soft sort of cotton external with polyester lining. I have to say the construction of it is not bad at all. Like, so far I'm finding the Dior Beauty pouches, the craftsmanship actually better than Chanel, in my opinion, from my experience anyway so far. And I love how this pouch will just sits very nicely, stand up on its own because of the substantial width of the base. Now you've got the black tissue paper with the samples inside. So first one is a cute bottle of Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. It looks almost clear, the liquid, so I think it is the eau de toilette version, and it's probably, I would say, very light fragrance. Then you've got the squeezable mascara, which is an interesting concept. I have never tried this before, so that would be good to give it a go. I have to say, I've not needed to buy a full-size mascara. I bought them here or there to kind of make use of the holiday packaging and things like that, but a lot of the times I do get these free gift with purchase, and I've almost never really needed to buy a full-size mascara. I do buy the mascara, the serum, the lash serum, but yeah, I'm really liking the sort of mini sample size of mascara. I find it quite hygienic, I guess, to just use a small tube, because I find like for the bigger size I can never finish the product before the expiry or the recommended expiry date of the product once you've opened the product. Again, I have not found a mascara that is really a standout. So maybe this will be it, who knows. I've been just using various different types of mascara that sort of comes as gift with purchase. Now this small tube is the lip maximizer, so I think it plumps up the lips. I'm not so sure about this one because I never like using lip plumping lip product, because my lip is actually, I find, full enough for my facial features. Often at times those plumping ingredients, you know, make your lips feel tingling and burning. I don't find them too comfortable, and they cause me to really want to itch my lips. And then the final product is a foundation, Forever Skin Glowing 1N color range with a bit of SPF. Hopefully a good shade for me, who knows. This is it from me today. I hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing, and until next time, you all take care. Bye.